By the end of this video, you will be able to fade out songs and audio clips within FL Studio. Let's get started. So I've got a project that I'm working on in FL Studio. Now the first way that I'm going to show you to fade out is how to fade out an entire song. So in order to do this, you're going to select all the audio for the end of your song. So there are two ways to select the end of your song. One way is to click the select icon here and then go to the top and then just highlight what you would like to be faded out. The other way to do that is to go to the paint tool and then hold control while you select. If you don't hold control with the paint tool, it will not select on the top. So now that we have the entire end of the song selected, what you're going to want to do is pull up your mixer. So you can go up to View and then Mixer, or you can just press F9 and it will pull up your mixer. For this song, I want to fade out the master volume for the entire song. So you're going to go over to the master and then right click right here, and you're going to see an option for Create Automation Clip. So I'm going to click that. And so now it's created a place that I can fade out the song. So in order to edit the fade out, I need to click on the master automation track that it created. And then I'm going to go up to Paint. And now when I go to there, I can select the end of it and drag it down. Now you can see I can also drag this way too, so you can edit it the way you would like. And so now when I listen to this, it's going to fade out the end of the song. Perfect, so that's exactly what I wanted to have done with the end of this song. And again, you can go to this area here, make sure you have the draw icon selected, and you can even right click in here and then it'll add more points that you can get a finer fade out the way you would like it. If you'd like to delete the automation clip, what you do is go to draw and then just right click right on the automation clip. So the next thing I want to show you how to do is how to fade out an audio clip within your FL Studio project. So this first track is an audio clip, and let's say I just wanted to fade out the audio clip and not the entire song. So in order to fade out an audio clip, what you want to do is go over to this wave icon on the audio clip, and you can left click it, and then you're going to see there's an option for automation and then automate. So I would like to automate the volume. So I'm going to click that. And so now it's created an automation for the volume, and you can see it right here on the bottom. If you cannot see that, you want to make sure you have your automation selected here. If you have the wave selected, you will not see it. So you want to have the automation clips here. And so you can have that selected. And then the same process that we did before. So you're going to have the draw icon selected, and then you can click around in here and drag so that it fades out where you would like it to fade out. So you can see I'm having it fade out at the end. Again, you can right click in the middle if you want to fade more nuance. So here I've got a fade out, and so let's listen to what this sounds like. And this is only going to fade out the track that I have selected. So you can see the MIDI underneath was not faded out, just the track that I had selected. So you now know how to fade out an entire song as well as an audio clip within FL Studio. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I do my best to answer those. I have other FL Studio tutorials available. I'll put links to them around this video. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.